Hi everyone, it's Dr. Morris from Magnolia Medical Center, and I just want to come at you this morning and give you a little bit of advice on something regarding being healthy. Okay, um, you know, you have to be a patient. All right, there has to become. You have to be patient when it comes to being truly healthy. There's no way to rush true health. There's no way. You can't go to the gym, work out one time, and expect that your body's going to look like Arnold. It's just not going to happen. You can't expect to start eating broccoli today, as an example, and you do that for a week, and that's going to magically change your whole health profile. Yeah, you have to understand some physiology in the body. Now, I understand why people are impatient about becoming healthy. It's because you could take a Tylenol and that powerful chemical, and believe me, it is a powerful chemical, acetaminophen or a series of chemicals or molecules, whatever you want to call it. It's extremely powerful, but it gives us an instant gratification, or nearly instant. Half an hour, 45 minutes, boy, your headache goes away, or your shoulder pain starts feeling better, or your low back pain. So we take this Tylenol, we take Advil, we take these things, and they're extremely powerful chemicals. Just a tiny little pill is going to go in and affect every single cell in your body in just a short period of time. So as a result, we tend to have the idea that you're going to start eating right, and within a day, magically everything's going to be better. That's not true. And here's why. Because those chemicals, the food, the nutrients in those chemicals are needed for the cellular process in your body. So, and while those things can start getting better quickly, it's not going to be the same as putting this powerful chemical into your body like there is in a Tylenol or a medication you're given. And another important point to remember is your body is made up of somewhere between 10 and 50 trillion cells, okay? Trillion with a T. So how do you expect to repair all of those cells overnight? It's just not going to happen. So when it comes to true health, you have to be a patient. When we're working with people in our rehab and our chiropractic, in many cases, it's working with their spine and with their body for 2, 3, 4, in some cases even 5 months before those changes are really complete, or even getting them to a point where they could do things on their own without needing us in our office. And that's at 3 times a week. Now, why is that? It's because it takes repetition and it takes time. You've got to put the time, you've got to put the effort in it. If you wanted to go start working out at the gym right now and you were of the impression that you're going to go to the gym and in 1 week you're going to be significantly improved, well, you might feel different, but believe me, the muscles really aren't going to be that much stronger and that much, and not any bigger at all in a week. It's going to take time. Conditioning takes time. If you're going to change your diet, you've got to provide nutrients to your cells on a consistent basis every day, every meal, pounds and pounds and pounds of nutrients and food that is good for you. Now, not just food. It's not about being well fed. It's about being well nourished. And you're going to have to repair, if you're an unhealthy individual, you're going to have to repair between 10 and 50 trillion cells in your body. That's a lot of repair that needs to happen on a cellular level. It won't happen overnight. So just my word of advice, no matter who you're seeing, if you're trying to truly become healthy, be a patient. Give it time, stay the course, continue to make good decisions, and you're going to come out on the other end. The good news is, if you're building new cells all the time, you do not have the same body now that you started out with when you were a tiny little baby. It's not, those cells aren't even the same. The research shows that somewhere around 7 years, you're going to replace every single cell in your heart. So that means if you have a really bad heart right now, and you start providing it with the right nutrients, you start doing the right things, and you start rebuilding that, 7 years from now, you could have a completely different heart than you have right now. So there's no reason at all to believe that you cannot completely change your health profile. You're just going to have to be patient. So just my word of advice this Friday morning. I hope you have a great day. You got to go make it a great day. You got to go get yours. You got to make the great decisions. And I hope that health finds you and you're on the right path. If we can benefit you anyway, please give us a call. The number at the office is 615-225-9100. We're absolutely here to help, but you have to start making great decisions, and you got to be patient. So take care, folks. Thanks.